Hi, I'm Cheryl.
And I'm Maria. And
welcome to the Sewing Room channel.
So before we get started with today's project, I just wanted to share with you these gorgeous roses that were sent to us by Rose Forever, and they were gifted to us. Just wanted to go ahead and say that. Their timing though couldn't be more perfect because today's video is going to be all about putting together a beautiful Christmas tablescape for the holiday. My mom's got
after she talks about these, I'm going to show you how to get this ready for Christmas. So go ahead, Maria.
She's got some really fun ideas for you guys that you're just going to love. But what makes these flowers so special is that they actually last for a year. This company uses some oils to preserve the flowers. They are exclusively sold online. They come in a variety of sizes and shapes, round and square velvet boxes, and they have all these unique different colors too, so definitely check them out online. I'll link all the information below in the description center of this video, and the best part is they actually have a coupon code for all of you that's good for $15 off, so I'll link that coupon code for you below. But Mom, why don't you go ahead and talk to everyone about what you got planned?
I'm going to show you how you can decorate this container for all the seasons of the year. Now specifically in this one, I'm using fabrics for the Christmas season. So let's get started. Here is the fabric I'm using on the outside, and then I'm just using plain fabric on the back. The container that the flowers are in is 5 inches high by 38.5 inches all around. That's the circumference of it. So you need to cut both pieces of fabric 5 inches wide by 40 inches. And you'll need about 38.5 inches of pom-pom fringe. Place your lining fabric over the front side of your fabric for the outside and pin your edges and then stitch on the 2 longest edges 1/4 of an inch seam. Now turn it front side out. After you have finished turning it front side out, then you want to press your edges and make sure that the middle of that seam is right there in the middle of the folded pressed edge. At each end, fold your edges in 1/4 of an inch and then press them. Then stitch across close to the edge. Stitch the Velcro on each end of the strip. One side of the Velcro goes on the front side. The other side of the Velcro goes on the back side so that you can bring the 2 pieces together. Place the pom-pom fringe up at the top edge and begin stitching just on this side of your Velcro piece, and stitch it all the way around and then stop right at the end here. And then when you Velcro close it all looks like one continuous piece. Well, here it is. It's all done. I think it really turned out pretty. This decorative band is really easy. Like I said, you can make it for any season of the year. Here's where the Velcro comes together in the back. So now that it's done, let's go out to my dining room and put the whole tablescape together. Welcome to my dining room. Now we have a few tablescape ideas. This is just one of them. So in here we have Rose Forever. I want to make sure I say it right, with a little decorative band around it. Now we've also placed on each side of it the rag wreaths that she's showing you right here. And where's the link for this?
So the wire form was purchased at Dollar Tree. They sell them in large and miniature. We purchased the miniature, and we do have a tutorial on how to make these. I will link that information below for you.
Yes, and in the middle, these are the smaller rag wreaths. They have the larger ones that you can put on your entryway door. So I put candles in the center of these. Now let's show you another tablescape idea. Now in this tablescape idea, I've used 3 rag wreaths with a candle in the center, and these little twinkle lights. Now you can get the little twinkle lights in the seasonal section at Walmart. That's where we purchase these. And I didn't mention in the first Tablescape idea that this is the last minute table runner, and you can get the link for this table runner listed below your YouTube screen. So let's look at another idea. Now in this Tablescape, I've used 4 candles, and we took a string of Christmas lights and tied scrap fabric around it, just like you do in the rag wreath. This is a really inexpensive project, and most of you probably already have a string of lights that you can use. Now this string of lights has a little battery case. I don't know how well you can see it right here on the end, and you can just tuck it underneath the fabric. So let's take a look at another version. Now this is an end table, and I've placed the Rose Forever bouquet here and placed the string of Christmas lights with the rag fabric placed around it. You can also do this on an entry table if you have one near your front door, and it makes a nice entrance into your home. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to check below your YouTube screen for all the different video links. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and check out my Facebook page. Thanks for watching, and happy sewing! I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click on the thumbs up button. And don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on that red subscribe button down there in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. Click on the bell so you can receive notifications about my latest videos. I'm Cheryl, and this is Scotty, and this is Manny. See you next time, and happy sewing!